I'm really excited about what TerraSource is doing in manufacturing right now, really because of what opportunities it opens up within engineering and design. Collaboration with engineering and manufacturing is super critical. Just plain from a business standpoint, it's more efficient. The more you know about the other, the more you can design efficiently and then get a product in that's very easy to manufacture. And it really shows through a product. You can end up getting a product quicker to market at higher quality, usually at a more competitive cost, by having those teams really well integrated. So the more we interface with the teams that are assembling, welding, machining, any improvements we can gain from them and integrate it into the design provides a value in terms of ease of maintenance for our customer.